How AI can help in the fight against AMR. Antimicrobial resistance, AMR, is rising faster than our ability to fight it. But artificial intelligence is giving us powerful new tools to slow it down, diagnose it earlier, and even discover brand new antibiotics. But before we get into it, check out the AMR playlist linked above. It covers what AMR is, why it's a global threat, and the main drivers behind its rise. It'll give you the context you need to see why AI is becoming a game changer in this fight. Now let's get into it, starting right where it matters most. Diagnosis. 1. Faster and more accurate diagnosis. The fight against AMR starts with identifying infections quickly and accurately. And this is where AI is making some of its biggest real-world impact. AI has been of help in predicting sepsis earlier through unique AI algorithms. Sepsis kills fast, and traditional systems often catch it too late. But AI models like Composer can analyze millions of electronic health records in real time, spotting subtle risk patterns that humans often miss. Tested on over 2 million patient records, Composer achieved more than 95% accuracy and helped reduce in-hospital mortality by 17%. A major leap forward. AI has also been utilized to rapidly identify bacterial without culture. Once a patient is flagged as at risk, the next challenge is knowing which microbe is causing the infection. Instead of waiting days for cultures, new AI-powered imaging tools use 3D quantitative phase imaging to identify bacteria from just a single cell. A trained CNN model classified 19 bloodstream infection species with 82.5% accuracy, dramatically shrinking the time needed to choose the right antibiotic. AI can be used to predict antibiotic resistance from genomes. And it doesn't stop at identification. Whole genome sequencing data, once too large to interpret quickly, can now be analyzed by AI models to predict antibiotic resistance almost instantly. Random forest models trained on thousands of E. coli genomes reached AUROC scores up to 0.95, pointing clinicians to the most effective treatment much faster than standard lab tests. Together, these diagnostic breakthroughs set the stage for the next challenge: tracking and preventing resistance before it spreads. 2. Surveillance and early warning systems. Once a resistant strain appears, the priority shifts from treating individuals to protecting populations. AI can help us detect threats earlier and understand how resistance moves through communities, hospitals, and the environment. AI can help identify new resistance genes. Traditional tools only catch resistance genes we already know, but AI models like DeepARGSS, however, can scan raw metagenomic data and classify genes into 30 AMR categories, even when the genes look very different from known ones. This allows scientists to spot emerging resistance threats long before they reach hospitals. AI can also be utilized in tracking AMR across communities, hospitals, by revealing how resistance spreads between species and ecosystems. In one study of 461 chicken farm samples in China, machine learning models identified 10 high-risk mobile resistance genes with AUROCs above 0.9, showing exactly which genes were most likely to jump into E. coli. Insights like this help shape smarter agricultural policy and reduce spillover into human populations. And while surveillance helps us understand the threat, we still need new drugs to fight the bacteria that outsmart everything we already have. That's where AI is rewriting the rulebook. 3. Discovering new antibiotics. Antibiotic discovery has stalled for decades, but AI is reigniting the pipeline with speed and precision that traditional methods could never achieve. AI can screen billions of molecules in minutes. Graph neural networks like ChemProp can scan chemical libraries exponentially faster than lab screening. By using ChemProp, researchers identified Halicin, a completely novel broad-spectrum antibiotic; Abaucin, a narrow-spectrum drug targeting Acinetobacter baumannii. Both were discovered by letting AI explore chemical spaces humans rarely venture into. AI can also design new antibiotics from scratch. It's not just finding existing molecules, it's designing new ones. The generative model, Synthemol, searched a chemical space of 30 billion molecules and generated candidates active against A. baumannii. Out of 58 synthesized molecules, 6 showed real antibacterial activity, an exceptionally high hit rate for antibiotic development. AI can as well discover new natural products. AI tools like DeepBGC are also rediscovering nature's antibiotic blueprints by scanning microbial genomes for biosynthetic gene clusters. With AUROC scores up to 0.946, DeepBGC is outperforming previous tools and opening doors to new natural antibiotics from microbes we can't even culture. These discoveries are incredible, but to truly use them well, we must understand how new antibiotics work. AI covers that too. 4. AI can help understand how new antibiotics work. Modern structural AI tools like AlphaFold 2, AlphaFold 3, and open-source models like Boltz-1 can accurately predict how a drug binds to its bacterial target. This dramatically shortens the time needed to uncover mechanisms of action, optimize drug design, and even predict how resistance might develop. What once required months of lab work can now begin with a precise structural prediction in seconds. AI is reshaping the entire AMR response, from diagnosis and surveillance to discovery and design. But technology alone won't solve AMR. AI can guide us, speed us up, and help us make smarter decisions. But it can't replace responsible antibiotic use, strong surveillance systems that detect resistance early, or the global collaboration needed to control it. Without these pieces working together, even the most advanced tools won't be enough. Thank you for watching this AMR playlist and taking the time to understand this global threat. Like the video and subscribe for more evidence-based medical insights. And remember, the more informed we are, the stronger we become in the fight against AMR.